वैलेंटाइंस डे की तैयारी पूरी दुनिया में बड़े ज़ोरों शोरों से चल रहा है और चंडीगढ़ में भी भरपूर तैयारी चल रही है और इस वक्त मैं मौजूद हूँ ब्लू ब्लेज़र में, जहाँ पर 14 फरवरी को परफॉर्म करने जा रहे हैं डीजे क्राइसिस और इस वक्त वो मेरे साथ मौजूद हैं। वेलकम टू डे एंड नाइट न्यूज़।
थैंक यू।
तो सबसे पहले जानना चाहेंगे, सो यू हैव ट्रैवल्ड दिस वर्ल्ड एंड यू हैव परफॉर्म्ड इन डिफरेंट प्लेसेस, सो हाउ इज़ योर एक्सपीरियंस? आई मीन यू आर हियर टू परफॉर्म, तो अभी परफॉर्म करने जा रहे हैं, सो हाउ इज़ द फीलिंग?
The feeling is quite immense, and because I'll be playing in my home city for the first time, I'm actually looking forward to how it goes.
तो आप अलग अलग जगह परफॉर्म कर चुके हैं, लाइक you might have different experiences of performing at different places. So whenever you perform in India or whenever you perform in Chandigarh, so are there kind of preparations going into your mind and are there kind of expectations what people would ask and all?
Always, like DJing is a science. It's not an exact science, but still, like every other profession, you'll have to make preparations. You'll have to have certain things in mind. You need to ask everyone how the people are going to be there, how have they reacted to anything in the past. So we have to gather the music in such a way that we should be prepared for any eventuality. You know, if I play electronic music and the crowd's not reacting to it, I'll have to change it on the spot. So there's a huge degree of preparation involved.
Okay, so there are like different plans for Valentine's Day. Some hotels are doing different things. So what are your plans? What you are going to play here?
My plan, basically, I'm going to be bringing international music here. And since Blue Blazer, they've been, how do we say, pushing electronic music, and they're standing out and they're promoting the international artists. So I think this place will be a very unique place for everyone else to visit, and I'm going to be bringing international pop music in fusion with Bollywood music and trance. That's my choice of music. So at the end of it, the whole product would be very unique, and the experience would hopefully keep people asking for more.
Okay, if I ask you, तो आपका डीजे बनने का जो आपके डीजे बनने की शुरुआत हुई थी वो कैसे हुई थी?
डीजे बनने की शुरुआत मेरी हुई थी when I was in Thapar University, Patiala. I was studying to be an electronics engineer. I completed that degree and I figured out कि मैं अच्छा engineer नहीं बनूँगा. So I used to love music before that. उसके बाद I made my mind up कि हाँ मैं इसे as a career I'm going to pursue it. So I learnt the craft here in Chandigarh itself. So after that I went to England. I did a degree in audio production from SAE Oxford. So after 2 years, I learnt the whole craft. I used to work hard. I have practiced a lot, and now I'm back, and hopefully I'll be able to give people something new.
So as we can see, like there are a lot of competition in DJing. Competition is immense, and moreover, female DJs are preferred very well. Yeah. So what is your take on this?
Well, I think as a DJ, the music has to speak for the DJ, you know, and females, there's a glamour quotient. There's a misconception, or it's the whole concept, as I would say, that DJing is very glamorous. For me, DJing is an art and it's a lifestyle. And it's only in India that I've seen the lady DJs getting preferred over males, but if I say that, you know, I wouldn't say the lady DJs would be bad or the men would be bad, but at the end of it, it's the music which would matter, and that's how they should be judged on. And that's it. It depends on the music and the craft which the DJ has.
You involved yourself in sound designing and also this is a different field. Yeah. So what are there any more future plans for sound designing and other stuff?
Yes, DJing is going to be my forefront career option, but I'm going to be doing sound design and sound composition for films side by side, because I already have a very well established network in England where I'm working with a couple of film companies. And hopefully that thing keeps rolling in, because that is good money. At the end of it, everything's about money, and DJing is my passion. So all three would be going on continuously side by side.
So you will be performing on Valentine's Day for people over here. So what are your plans for Valentine's Day? Your personal plans?
My personal plans, I am as single as anybody can imagine, and I'm in love with music, so my Valentine's would be as romantic as anybody else's, because I'm going to be spending it with the love of my life. And yeah, so you won't get to see any indecent acts, by the way. So should be fantastic.
Thank you so much and all the very best.
Right, thank you so much.
ये थे हमारे साथ डीजे क्राइसिस, जिन्होंने बताया कि किस तरह वो डीजे बने और वो इस बार वैलेंटाइंस डे में ब्लू ब्लेजर में कुछ अलग और अपने इंटरनेशनल तड़कों के साथ लोगों को थिरकाने के लिए तैयार हैं। कैमरामैन फिरोज खान के साथ जयदीप मित्रा, डे एंड नाइट न्यूज़, चंडीगढ़।
खबरों की दुनिया में आइए, हमारे साथ कहीं भी और कभी भी जुड़िए। हम मिलेंगे फेसबुक पर, हम दिखेंगे यूट्यूब पर, हमें फॉलो कीजिए ट्विटर पर। खबरों के साथ बने रहिए रात दिन।